Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. As you can see, the Easy Up tent did not survive the very mild storm we had. I was hoping to get a year or two so the pieces of tree can dry in the shade. When I made the video putting it up, somebody even commented, yeah, that's not going to last very long. So I am motivated now to pick a few pieces to mill for some upcoming projects. But first we need to clean this up. And we were able to get most of the tarp and fabric pieces. They didn't blow into a neighbor's yard. We already threw those away. Let's get to work. Got everything cleaned up. It is the afternoon now. I try to work early and late because it gets so hot in Southern California. The goal is to cut these in 2 to 3 inch pieces. I no longer use the vertical chainsaw mill because I felt like it was getting in the way, and with a little bit more experience now, I think freehanding it is better for me. I also want to work on those 2 pieces. Let's get the chainsaw. My hands are definitely shaking a little bit. The adrenaline is up. This is what I wear for safety. I would say all of this is necessary for me to feel comfortable and confident. I made the first cut. It is not perfect, but we will do a couple more and get some more practice in. Okay, that went surprisingly well. I thought I was going to have to do a bunch of practice pieces, but I'm pretty happy with those 3 there. Let's cut that big cookie next. That was not my prettiest cut, but I think this will do for that piece. We are running a little low on sunlight, so let's go ahead and cut this last one over here. Okay, we potentially have a few projects coming up. I am super excited for them. I'm noticing some burn marks, so I should probably do chainsaw maintenance. Either I need to sharpen or clean it out to get the bar oil going. Video 84 done.